Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So drum roll please, it's unboxing time. Okay, so these gel polishes, they're from Model Ones Model Ones, and they're the Roslyn. This is Phantom Chameleon gel polish. That's Phantom Chameleon. This one is diamond glitter. I don't know if you can see it. It says diamond glitter on it. Then pick it up. My son had walked in and he's telling me the cat knocked down the tree. Just go pick it up, baby. Okay? Alright. This one is chameleon again. I guess it's a different kind of a chameleon. Because this one says chameleon and this one says chameleon. Oh, this one is Phantom Chameleon and this one is just regular chameleon. Okay. Let's see what this one is called. This one is called Colorful, and this one is called Magnetic. Oh, this is a magnetic one. So when I got the package, it was supposed to come with a little magnet, and for some reason, I don't know, when I opened it, because I opened it was a bag, and I just bust the bag open, and I'm like, why am I opening this? I'm not doing an unboxing. So let me throw these things away. This is how I open my stuff now. I'm a mess maker. And this one is called Rainbow. So all of those, I'm going to just bust them open. Okay. Open these little bags up so we can take a look at the colors. And I'm going to do swatches when I open up the other package as well. I'm going to do swatches. And I'm going to do a part 2 to this so you can see the swatches of these beautiful gel polishes. So, yes. Gonna have little swatches of these. But I'm just going to take a look at them right now. Let's take a look. OMG! OMG, look at that. It's so pretty. Okay, this the diamond glitter is beautiful. It kind of reminds me of something that I already have. So it's not like I've not seen this before. So let me see the rest, because right now I'm kind of like, oh my gosh, I do have that one already. But giveaways are always an option. Oh my god, the magnetic one is beautiful. It's this beautiful brown color. Look at that. I've never done magnetic polish before, so that should be interesting. And this one is called Rainbow. So let's see what the rainbow looks like. Okay, it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. I don't know what's going on here. Can you see that? Can you see that? You see that mess? What is that? I'm gonna get some paper towel. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going on here, so let me grab this. Yep, it's the actual brush. It has those two little long things dangling off of it. So how are you supposed to polish with the brush like that? You know what, let me get my under dandy scissors and cut these off real quick. Alright, there we go. All fixed. So, as I was saying, ooh, there goes the rainbow. It is kind of thick though. It really is kind of thick. I don't know how this is going to apply, but okay, let's move on to the other colors. This one is called Phantom Chameleon. Oh, this one is beautiful. Okay, it's so pretty. It's a sheer, it's like a sheer color. Okay, and this one is Carmelian. So this one is a nice blue color. I've noticed that these polishes are super thick, so hopefully they'll go on, you know, good. But right now I'm not liking it at all. I'm not liking it. This one is called Colorful, so let's see what Colorful looks like. Oh, I guess this is colorful. I'm thinking it's black. I don't know. Maybe I am just okay. So I know I'm gonna just use the black for the background for the chameleons, because I think that's how those work. The chameleons need like a background. So these polishes are going to be swatched. So let me put these to the side right here, so I can see, I can tell you what the textures are. Oh, and they have the numbers on the top. This is T50, B01, 03, which is the color, and W17, R21, which is the rainbow, and the magnetic is C10. So all the numbers are on there. You know, I'm always mixing acrylics, so I picked these up at Sally's. It was only $1.49. I know I probably could get a better deal online, but I was walking in there and I saw these and I'm like, these are so thick and nice. They're very good quality. So I picked up 2 big ones and I picked up 2 small ones. And the funny thing is they're the same price. So I like the big ones better. It sounds more sturdier than the little ones. But they're the same price. Isn't that something? Okay. So I picked up 2 of these and 2 of those. So I'm going to use these for glitters and I'm going to use these for acrylic powders. So let me put those over there. And I did not have a sanitizer for my Barbie. I didn't have a Barbicide, like a manicure disinfecting jar. I didn't have one, so I decided to get one. And instead of paying a little bit of money for it, I went to Sally's and paid a bunch of money for it. I think it was like $7.99. So it's not that deadly pricey, but I probably could have got it cheaper online. Who knows? I don't care. I went there and I saw it and I bought it. I just wanted it and I needed it, so I got it, and I think it is fantastic. Okay, it's got a nice stainless steel thing for the tools. Let me get my tools. Okay, I can stick my tools right on in there like so. Put it down, you put your Barbicide in, and you're good to go. And it closes right down, and I can have it right here on display so that they can see that my stuff is nice and disinfected, and I'm not trying to spread any germs. Okay, so let me see what it says on the package here. It says, okay, meet or exceed all government standards for sanitized implements. So it meets and exceeds all the government standards, and all the what I need to know is on here. So all you have to do is read the instructions. So if you want to get yourself one of these, just walk into your local Sally's and you pick yourself up one of these. It's not bad price, at least I don't think it is. But if you can find it for a better price, get it. Don't need to pay extra when you can get it for cheaper. I love their I also picked up these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 100 grit course buffers. They didn't have the other ones I like, the black ones, which is 100 grit. I don't know, they said they haven't had them in a while. They probably are pulling them from the stores, and if anyone knows where I can find them, please comment in the comment section below, because I really want them before they actually go out of style forever. Okay, so those are the buffers that I got. I really need a lot more. Like, you know, you have to throw away your things when you're finished with a client, so I want to have some more, and I wanted to get me some more brushes, so I picked up 2. I know I have some, so I just picked up a little, you know, 2 extra ones. So that's